Hi, it's Jenna here from Sit Bite Go, and today we're going to learn how to cook a whole chicken in the crock pot. This is a great recipe for a family meal or a holiday like Christmas, Easter, or Thanksgiving, if you decide not to do turkey. Cooking a roast chicken in the slow cooker is one of the easiest ways to get that fall off the bone chicken that's tender, that tastes good as a warm, hearty meal. The first thing you're going to do is sear the chicken on the stove in a medium-high pan until the chicken is brown. You want to continue coating it with olive oil so it gets that nice golden brown crust. Move it around the pan so you can get as much of it seared as possible because this is really going to lock in all of the flavor. Once the chicken is seared all around, it's ready to go into the crock pot. The first thing you're going to do is chop up some vegetables and put them at the bottom of the crock pot. I like to use garlic and red onions and carrots. This is going to lift up the chicken so when you add about an inch of the chicken stock, it's not resting on the bottom of the crock pot. Next, you're going to do whatever you can to get that entire chicken in the crock pot. Now, I was using a pretty large crock pot here, but it was still tough to get the entire chicken in. But once you do, you are ready to leave the crock pot on either medium or high for the set amount of hours. It's usually about 6 or 8 hours. And then at the end, you'll have a really falling off the bone whole chicken that you cooked entirely in the crock pot. As you can see, mine came out of the crock pot a little bit pre-cut, as I like to say, because it was falling apart so much it was already divided into chunks. This is great because the chicken breast was separate from the thigh, from the wings. Everyone could have the piece they wanted. Check out my other videos at sitbitego.com to see delicious sides that you can serve with your whole chicken cooked in the crock pot. I hope you have a delicious time, and thank you so much for watching this video. Cheers!